This Chevrolet Malibu boasts a turbocharged gas I4 1.5-liter/91 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 1.5 liters Turbo DOHC 4-cylinder DI with variable valve timing, VVT 160 horsepower, 119.3 kilowatts, at 5,700 revolutions per minute, 184 pounds-to-foot torque, 248.4 Nm, at 2,500 to 3,000 revolutions per minute, STD, wireless charging for devices, Windows, power with express down on all. This Chevrolet Malibu features the following options: window, power with driver express up/down, wheels, 17, 45.7 centimeters, aluminum, wheel, spare, 16, 40.6 centimeters, steel, warning indicator, front passenger safety belt, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, covered, vent, rear console, trunk latch, safety, manual release, trunk cargo anchors, toolkit, road emergency, tires, P225/55R17 all season, blackwall. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.